This is an example of what we're going to be releasing as a glass to glass internal door hinge or office partition hinge. Okay, this is the outside where the fixing plates are underneath these cover plates. So essentially that's what we're proposing the outside would look like, and the inside is basically the glass to glass pull fence hinge. Okay, the difference is we have different fascia plates and cover plates over the fixings. So the product is tamper proof and you wouldn't be able to take the door off from the outside if it was in an office scenario. The cover plates have small grub screws that need to be taken off to be able to get to the fixing plates. So in the closed, locked position, you can't get to those screws to take those covers off, basically like a patch fitting cover. We've just mocked this up. It's a shower screen. We've just changed it so it opens the other way, so we can get an idea of what the internal door hinge will look like.